guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video we will be going through a complete walk around and review for this domain selling marketplace called MostDomain. MostDomain is one of the leading marketplaces right now in the market for finding premium and quality age domains. If you're an SEO and you're looking to buy good quality, properly vetted age domains or expired domains in 2026, then you should definitely consider MostDomains, because we are using their domains and we are getting very good results. In coming videos, I will be sharing some practical case studies wherein I'll be showcasing you some of the results that I have bought using their age domains, and I generated good amount of traffic with these domains. And of course, traffic means revenue. So of course, revenue generation was also there in these types of websites. Alongside, I will be giving you a complete walkthrough of how does this MostDomain work, how you can buy domains, what is the process, and we'll be doing a quick comparison with different marketplaces as well, like marketplaces like expireddomains.net, that's a completely free platform. Then an advanced version of expireddomains.net, that is SpamZilla, comes with a subscription, helps you find out domains with a lot of metrics in front. Then we have some bigger marketplaces like SEO domains, Otis Global, and we'll be doing a quick comparison, and I'll be telling you like without any biasness, though this video is made in with collaboration with MostDomains, because whatever I'll be saying, this will be my honest opinion and my hands-on experience with MostDomain. And why do I am preferring MostDomain over other competitors? Because there are a couple of reasons which I'll be discussing in the video. Before we get started in the video, don't forget to check out MostDomain if you want to buy premium age domains. Their link is in my video description, and also you will find the link in the pinned comment section as well. When you come to their website, you firstly see they are like a typical premium age domain selling marketplace, and you just have to simply go and create an account. Like you can register an account really easily, and once you are done that, they guarantee that all domains come with a minimum of 2 backlinks, verified metrics for immediate SEO benefits, carefully curated for age domains, faster and secure transfers, and everything. So I definitely support whatever these guys are doing. So why we have already discussed in the past video, which will be linked right here, that why you should buy or consider buying an age domain, right? So I'll not discuss about that, but yes, they make sure that whenever these guys are buying or finding expired domains, they perform a 22 criteria checklist wherein they check domains on further things. And not just that, if you have any questions or you're facing any troubles while buying those domains, you can always live chat with their support, with a real human. They will be there to help you out and with your query, questions, or maybe negotiations if you really got interested in some domain. So let's now go to the premium domain inventory and see what they have to offer. Like when you come, firstly you will see that this is the inventory, and these are the filter section, right, where you can actually filter the domains. You can do basic, and then you can do some matrix based. That's completely you can set up DADR, how many referring domains, age. When you come to the basics, you can obviously select category, language, extension, pricing, and once you are done with that, you can sort with the domain name, whether it's based on DR, whether it's based on the pricing, or whether it's based on domain rating, like whatever matrix you are considering, the domain age, category, language, Google index, date added. So like let's start with domains that are freshly added, right? Let's consider this domain, right? So the domain is uncategorized, right? They haven't put up in any particular category. So let's just click on the details section. This is the serial number of this domain, or you can say product code, which you will be sharing to the support to reveal the domain name if you want to actually see. So the domain rating is technically 0, but the DA, the domain rating of mods, is 30. There are 54 referring domains. The age of this domain is around 26 years. Like honestly, that's a lot of age. And they have not specified the language. They have not specified yes, it's a non-drop domain, and if you see, it was registered in February of 2000, right? It's registered on Gname, so the transfer will happen through Gname. And here you can see and find out what are the referring domains that it is getting. I see it's getting mostly from .ar, so I'm hoping this domain had to do something with Argentina. You can see its traffic history, its domain rating, whether domain rating was manipulated or not. While you are buying age domains, this is a very common practice that a lot of other players are doing, that they're manipulating the domain rating, which is not the case over here. Like if I would have been a customer, I would have not bought this domain because I want something that has got some English links, right? So we can always do the filter. So I'll just quickly add in the filter for English. You see English comes up, and we have already added the sort rating to recently added. You see this domain now. This is for $880. It's a DR4 with 194 referring domains, 14 years in age, and not just that, the spam score is low, and there are live backlinks. It is Google index, it's non-drop, so it's good. You see the referring domains, there are some good referring domains coming in, and you see the domain rating as well. The domain rating is not manipulated as of now, and you also see some similar domain names with similar categories, similar metrics, or similar price. Like if you like that, you can always go ahead with that. So if we go on, if I'm liking this domain, maybe I can do a favorite, or I can just add to the cart, and you already see the name of the domain. So you can do further checks, like you can cross check whether it's already very indexed or not. You can check the history. Once you do that, you simply add to the cart. If you have any promo code, if I have any promo code, I will display right here. You may just click proceed to checkout. Create basic information. It's a Stripe based gateway, so no problems in that. You just create and you continue. Once it is done, that team will contact you, ask you for your existing domain name registrar or wherever it is registered to transfer the domain. And if it was a website, they have files, they would also send you the files, and that's it. You just bought your domain name. When it comes to payment methods, they are using Cryptonomos as a gateway, so crypto is accepted and other modes are also accepted, so there is no problem over there as well. But let me show you how that goes as well. I'll just quickly sign up, and once you have created, the following process are shown in the video that you can check it out. But now let's quickly compare like why you should choose MostDomain and why not other platforms like expired domains, Otis, and SEO domains, right? So if you go to expireddomains.net, the biggest problem I see with expireddomains.net is you don't get to see a lot of information with domain names. You have to manually copy, export, and do things to actually extract good valuable data from expireddomains.net, because it's a big directory for age domains and expired domains. Whereas also the bigger problem I see with this is because they have so huge database, it becomes a tedious process in terms of costing, timing, manpower to actually find good domains with expireddomains.net. Then comes it's an upgraded version for this, which is SpamZilla. Here you get to see a lot of information, but again the matrix they tell, and ultimately in most cases they let you figure out where the auction is happening, where you can buy the domain. They will not buy the domain for you or manage the domain for you or vet the domain for you. Both in the case of expired domains and SpamZilla, you have to manually firstly check the domains, do all the things, do all the parameters, do all the checks, verify things, then actually buy or sit in the auction. Again, too much time already taken to at least get started with your next project, right? So this is where platforms like MostDomains comes to your rescue, wherein they save you a lot of time, money, effort, resources, and whatnot, right? So that's the reason I am preferring MostDomain, at least for this year, to be the best marketplace for finding quality and premium age domains. And when it comes to players like Otis, SEO domains also has a big inventory, right? But again, that's the problem. And when it comes to cleanliness of those domains, I've been a customer for SEO domains as well. I have bought like 3 or 4 or maybe more expired domains or age domains with SEO domains. But the problem is, again, they also have big directory, big database, so you have to manually check. And I don't find really clean or untouched age domains with SEO domains especially, right? And when it comes to a premium player like Otis, again, the problem is you get to see there is not a lot of budget options that you get to see over here, right? You need to mostly domains are hidden, you need to contact the support, and even if the domains are available, you will not find that great value for money, right? Like if we see, we are getting a $2,800 expired domains, whereas the domain rating is just 4. the referring domains are just 39. I'm sure that they would have good cleanliness and stuff, but again, it's pretty much expensive. You can, like, in comparison, like if I do a basic comparison, which actually does not make a lot of sense, but just to give you guys an idea, you can get a DR 20, 25 or even higher with almost the same quality, if not the same quality, at the same price with MostDomain. So that is the reason I am personally insisting you to check out MostDomain, which is linked in my video description and also in the comment section. So this was the entire video, guys, about the walk around process for MostDomain. How do you find domain? How do you actually buy the domains? Why it's better than its competitors in 2026, and why you should be getting an expired domain. All these questions and all these queries were answered. This is a full video series that is happening in collaboration with MostDomain. I am being very transparent with you guys, but that does not mean that I am being biased or I am telling you anything that is not relevant. In the coming videos, I will be sharing my own personal case studies with domains bought from MostDomains, and I'll show you guys how does it actually, those domains actually perform, and how you can also utilize and make familiar or similar sites using domains from MostDomain. So that is it for today's video, guys. I will hope to see you guys in my next video. If you have watched the video till here, do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this series and which project are you going to make on your next age domains. Until then, take care and bye bye.